Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today we're going to talk about self-grooming. So you all might have heard these terms a lot of times in your life, but you're always confused like what is it all about? Like it comes into play mostly right now when we are locked up inside our houses and we cannot go outside. Then how to groom yourself, how to keep your eyebrows intact, how to do your waxing schedules, everything is messed up right now. So I am gonna tell you few things that you can do at your home and that are very easy for you to do. Let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is a face razor. See, it comes like this. There's a safety cap on top of it. Just pull it out and remove it. Inside you can see there's a blade out here, and then there's a plastic body that comes with it. So this is my most important tool to groom myself. So this is used to shave off your upper lips and your eyebrows as well, and also some people have face hair, so they can just move it, like clean it using this. So this is from the brand called the Bombay Shaving Company. So I would say guys, do not go out for the men razors that are available in the market, because that are not meant for our skin, right? So our skin is really soft than the men out there. So I would suggest that go for a women's razor every time you use for your face or for anything for that matter. So it comes in a pack of 3 mostly. So this is the packaging, guys. It's Bombay Shaving Company. So it's specially made for women, so it's safe for you to use. It says it's meant for eyebrows, upper lips, chin, sideburns and upper cheek fizz. So it has an anti-slip body, you can see over here, so that your hand doesn't slip and gives you a cut. So how do we use it is, hold it in your hand like this from the safety grip, right, and then move it like very smoothly on your face. Do not like harshly use it, but use like very smoothly on your face. For example, I'm going to show you how to do your upper lips. So just move it in the same direction of the hair, right? This is how you use it. Similarly for your eyebrows, trust me guys, this is very handy. Once I've started using it, I've stopped going outside because I consider this as very easy and very helpful technique. Then to use sideburns as well. It's very easy to use, and there is, see, the hair comes out. I don't know if you can see. You just clean it with a tissue or something and then put it back inside the safety cap. The next thing is, I always keep this handy. It's a set of tweezers that you can use to pull out the extra hair that you have and you're not able to remove using a razor. For some of you who need a lot of perfection in their eyebrows, they can definitely go for this, because I am fine with it. I usually use this and I'm done with it. So a tweezer has forceps like this. Just pluck in the hair and remove it. This is also, it comes in very handy during lockdown. Another thing is, I have been waxing my body like for so long. I haven't got laser done, but I'm not sure like what works out well. So if you guys have any other suggestion of body removing hair, then please comment down below and I would love to know about it. So I personally go for waxing, and I haven't like used razor ever before, but during this lockdown I was not able to go out and we need to groom ourselves, right? Like it's been so long that we've stayed inside and we cannot just live with so much hair on our body, right? So what I have come across is an amazing razor by Venus. So it has a movable head, see, that glides on your skin without giving you a cut on your skin. This also comes with a safety grip that you can hold from here and use it. So the best way to use a razor is during your shower time. First, I would suggest you a day before, or maybe for 2-3 days continuously, depending on your hair, go for like scrubbing your body. Either use a loofah or use a pumice stone, whatever suits you. Do not be very harsh on your skin. Just try to exfoliate your skin so that the dead cells are out of your skin. So I would say that use a shower or anything that you like, use it in water basically, that will give you better results. And always go in the direction of the hair, like this, right? So the best way to use it is with a shaving gel or a shaving foam that's available easily in the market. Even for Venus it's available, I guess. I can put down the links below. You can buy this from Nykaa and it's super affordable. Even the face razor is very affordable. I will tell you the price for this. I think it costs, this is for 450 for 3 units, and it goes on since like till very long. You need not purchase it again and again. This comes in with one blade in a pack, and it also, the similar cartridges for this are also available in the market. So it gets detached like this, and these cartridges are available in the market, so you can just purchase them and you need not purchase the whole razor again and again. So it usually fits in like this. It's very easy to operate, I'm telling you guys. So just go ahead, purchase it, and you will not regret it. Also, people say that it's not safe to use a razor and the hair comes out very thick, coarse. It's not true, guys. I'm putting a picture out here. You can see what shaving does is it just cleans, removes the top layer of the hair, whereas waxing, it pulls in the hair from its root. So I believe that even waxing is very harmful for our skin, because it might disturb what is there inside our skin by pulling the hair abnormally. So I would suggest that go try shaving for once and see if it works for you. Other than that, I would also suggest the Venus wax strips. I am not sure if Venus comes with it. I think it's by Veet, yeah. So I'll put the picture over here. These are also available in the market for your use, and you can definitely try these out if you are a fan of waxing. I also try sometimes, but not frequently. So hope you guys liked my video. Do comment below on your suggestions on what all do you do and how are you managing in this lockdown without going out. I'm really excited to know about it. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Stay safe.